In the vast, sparkling ocean, lived a radiant sea anemone named Amelia. She was a sight to behold, with her vibrant colors and delicate tendrils swaying gently with the current. Her home was a small, cozy crevice in a rock, surrounded by coral and teeming with tiny sea creatures. One day, a small fish named Fred swam by. He was drawn to Amelia's beauty and decided to make her his home. He found a small spot among her tendrils and settled in. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and Fred grew comfortable in his new home. However, Amelia felt a strange sensation. She noticed that Fred was not just a guest, but a resident who was slowly taking over her home. She tried to communicate her feelings, but Fred, being a small fish, didn't understand. Seeing Amelia's discomfort, a wise old octopus named Oliver decided to help. He approached Fred and explained, "Fred, Amelia is not just a place to hide. She is a living being with feelings. You have made her home your home without asking." Fred was shocked. He had never realized the impact of his actions. He apologized to Amelia and promised to move out. Amelia was relieved and grateful. From that day forward, Fred learned the importance of respecting others' space and feelings. The moral of the story is, always respect others' space and consider their feelings, for every living being has a right to its own home.